Tired of walking non-stop in Monster Hunter now? Want to hunt from home without all the hassle? In today's video, I'll show you how to auto-walk and hunt effortlessly. No extra effort needed. We're using iMoveGo, a trusted location spoofer that makes hunting easier than ever. Select Single Point Mode and choose your target location on the map. Set a realistic walking speed. Click Move. Your character will automatically start walking along the set path. You can pause at any time to gather materials or fight monsters, just like in the real game, and resume walking to continue your route. If you choose Multipoint Mode, then you can customize your character's path of movement. Mark multiple locations on the map. Set a walking speed that looks natural. Click Move. Your character will follow the custom path seamlessly. This is perfect if you know specific spawn points and want to optimize your hunting routes. Tips: don't set your speed too fast. A walking speed between 2 meters per second and 4 meters per second is recommended. In addition to auto-walking, iMoveGo also supports changing location, as well as a flexible joystick, which can be found in our previous video for detailed tutorials. If you love playing Monster Hunter now but don't want to be stuck walking everywhere, subscribe to our channel for more pro tips and tricks.